Let's start our weekly webinar. Tell me, please, do you hear me correctly? If yes, we can start. Okay, great to hear you. Great to see you here. Friends, write please into the comments where you're from, what is your country, and what instruments would you like to see here. For me, it's interesting. Okay, yes, correctly. Yes, yes. Also, friends, push like. Don't forget to push like. As I said, where are you from? Right, where are you from? For example, I'm from Ukraine. Second, write please what is your what instruments are interesting to see. And also, as I promised everyone who are on this webinar, in the end of of the webinar, I'll tell about bonus which you will take for free if you will be to the end of this webinar. There will be some promo code which you will need to use to get this bonus. Okay. Okay, gold, Turkey, and I want to see a British pound, Japanese. Okay, of course we will do it. Okay, hi from France, USD versus Swiss franc. France, yes, we will do it. Silver, gold, great. UK, London, and oil and gold. Yes, we will cover it. France, we will cover it. Hello. Okay. Indonesia, yes, great. Great to see it. Okay, let's go. Also, friends, if you have some questions about, take a look. If you have some questions about education, web signals, and account management, you can use these contacts to write to me, and I'll answer on all questions. Okay, let's start. Okay, for a start, let's do Forex, and after that, we will do other instrument. Okay, as always, I start from Euro USD because it is. Okay, let's close Telegram because it will disturb us. And I want to start share my screen. Okay, application window. Friends, right please, do you see my screen? And if yes, I'll continue to do this weekly overview. Of course, I will do USD Japanese yen, of course. Friends, write please about screen. Do you see it correctly? Yes, yes, great, great to see it. Also, friends, don't forget to push like on this video and write some comments under this translation. Okay, as always, we start from Euro USD, and if you have some questions about this webinar and you will have some question about instrument which I will show to you, please write your question. For example, how I will be able to open entry, what risk per entry should I use. If you have some such questions, just write it into the chat and I will answer it. Okay, Euro USD. Friends, we can see that the price in this trend, downward trend. If be honest, on Euro USD, a really horrible volatility because as you see, price moves per day nearly 40 pips, something like that. It's really horrible volatility. At this moment, price bounced from this key level 1.1175, and where could be next? Where could be a next good entry? If the price will break up this level and 1 hour candle will fix a ball, it will be a good entry to open buy to continue up all. And there will be such goals like this and like this. Once more, how you can open entry? Uh, Price, just imagine this level. Price broke up 1 hour candle, close a ball, after you set buy limit order or wait on fake broke and set take profit, stop loss and take profit, and you are in position, and that's all. You have long position on your USD. But if be honest, I do not recommend you to trade Euro USD because low volatility and price in this horrible range. Really good place where we will be able to open entry. It is near this low. For example, if price will make some retest of this, we will be able to open good buy. And or if the price will come to this key level, will make fake broke, will also be able to open good sell. At this moment, price in horrible place. Right, please? Is it clear about Euro USD, or maybe you need something? You want something to clarify? Okay, let's go to other instruments. Let's start from Japanese yen. Okay, Japanese yen, friends. Mhm. As you see, price made a fake broke of this key level, and main trend is down. I need to check it on lower time frame. Okay, let's open for hour. Uh-huh. Okay. Really huge chance that price will make some pullback up to this killer 110.82. You can open buy after pullback near 109.75. Near this level, you can open buy, set stop loss under this low, and it will be your potential profit. How you can open entry? Just set buy limit order here and hold it. If the price on Monday will make a pullback, you will have position. If the price will move, for example, 50 pips up, you in that case you should close your limit order. In other stuff, it's hard to say what after that Japanese yen will do, because Japanese yen above key level at this moment. When price above key level, we should think about buy. When and after that could be something different, because as you see, it looks like price in this range, and huge probability that price will bounce from this level and will create this range. And this level, it is a middle of that range, and before that level you should close entry, because there will be some other buy if the price will break up this level and will continue up or move. Only when price will break up, 1 hour candle will close above, you will be able to open buy. Okay, what questions, friends, you have? Okay, right, please. Is it clear for you about Euro USD and Japanese yen? Just write yes, clear, and or write your question what you need to clarify. Okay, Euro USD, Euro USD we done, Japanese yen done. Okay, and now we should do British pound. Did you? Yes, clear, clear. Yes, we will do Euro Australian dollar. Clear. Great, great. Friends, thank you. Right questions maybe you have about trading system and something like that. Okay. About British pound, remember that you don't need to have a lot of entries per week, per day. For you, it will be enough if you will take, for example, 2 3 great entry per week. But you need to do it near really powerful levels, because mostly we try to trade in such horrible places, but there is nothing powerful what can hold the price. And take a look on British pound. Price, as you see, bounce it from this level because it is a paranormal candle, and we build level here. But as you see, price made a fake broke but didn't move up. Huge probability that price will continue down move and will hit 1.28. It's really huge probability on British pound, especially if the price will break down this tail. After pullback, you will be able to open sell, and at this moment, uh, it will be not good idea to open sell here because price in this accumulation, and only when price, you need to understand market cycle. When price in accumulation, that means big player accumulate position, and we don't know in 100% sure in what direction big players accumulate position. But when they broke up or broke down that accumulation, we understood that when they broke in some direction, they will protect their position. The same is here. Price in accumulation. Best will be to open sell when price will break down and one hour candle will close under this tail. It will be the best way to open sell entry. About buy, it's hard to speak about buy at this moment because price. Take a look, for example, on this structure. Take a look on this structure. First up move, after that pullback, and second up move. And take a look on the same structure here. This, take a look. Maybe the similar structure. That's why I think it's a huge probability that price will continue down move. And mid goal of next week will be this low, this 25 April low. If you will open sell and hold here. Okay, clear, great, friends. For start, we always I do major currency pairs, and after that I do the instruments which you are interested in. For example, if you're interested in like here euro Australian dollar, I will tell about it. That's why write into the comments what currency pairs you would like to see, because if I will not see your currency pair, I will not tell about it. Okay, British pound, Canadian dollar. Let's do Canadian dollar, friends. Mhm. Canadian dollar. If be honest, Canadian dollar looks really horrible. Because take a look, price just moves in this range, this range. After that, in this range, a lot of range. It is not good to trade in range because mostly when price in range, better to use borders of the range. But take a look what happened on Canadian dollar. There were this upward line, upward trend, and in the end, price broke it down and made a little mirror level here. That's why huge probability that price will continue down more. And best will be on Monday to open sell near this level. 1.34, how you can open entry, you can just set sell limit order near this level, and that's all. About buy, it's hard to speak about buy on Canadian dollar because price mostly in the range, and I do not recommend to trade this currency pair, if be honest. Let's do Australian dollar. As you see, friends, price bounced a few weeks ago from this key level, mirror level. Take a look how many times price bounced from it. And at this moment, price in this downward trend. Take a look. Price moved down from 25 January 18 year, and price really a lot of time in downward trend. Next key level is only here, this tail, and we can open how we can open some entries. I want to show you scenarios which I can use on my personal account. First, friends, we can open entry if the price will break up this key level, daily candle will close above. We can set buy limit and hold buy position. It will be midterm entry, midterm buy. Also, how we can open some other entry. As you see, price on daily basis bounced from this level. There's some clearance between these two bounds. Also, if the price will, for example, before break down this level, let's open lower time frame, will make some a little pullback and create really clear level. And after that, we will be able to trade. I want to show you structure. When I will be able to open some other entry. If the price, for example, came close to this level, bounced before broke it, and after that I could set sell stop order, uh, and when price break it down, I will have sell position. And also there could be some sell position if price break it down and after pullback open sell. Because why I speak about sell? Because as you see, every high is lower. Every high is low. Price in downward trend. Mostly trend is continue. That's why wait how the price will react on this level. And also there could be some stuff, for example, like price creates some level and bounce it from it many times. And also with such level, you can open sell. Okay, okay, friends, clear. Okay, 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 and let's do some other. It is the last major currency pair which we will do together today. Sometimes I do mistakes with my English, but friends, it is my only third language. That's why you need to understand that sometimes I will do that, and it's normal. About New Zealand, it's hard to find something. Take a look. For you, it is an example how price can create a nice limit level. Take a look. How many times price just bounced from this level? Take a look. When you have some trend down move or it is up move, it is really great to open entries after such limit levels to continue a trend. For example, like price made a bounce and you see that a lot of candles just bounce it from one level. Is that means that big players, big guys want to continue because they had some position. About New Zealand, if be honest, it's hard to find something at this moment on New Zealand because price still in downtrend, and I think that this downtrend with big probability will continue, and that's why I recommend to open sell after some pullbacks. It's friends. At this moment, there is no key level from which we can open entry because uh, key level is here and some other key zone is here. That's why if price will make pullback here to this level, you can open sell. And the same about buy, we can think only if the price will hit this key level or will break up this level. Okay, okay. And tell me, please, do you see my face on this camera? Friends, right, please? Do you see my face on that camera? And also push like, friends, push like and write a comment what you think about my approach. Do you enjoy it, or maybe something you want to tell me that I need to improve something? Mentas, okay, okay. Let's do American dollar versus Swiss franc. hmm Okay, okay. Let's do how we have. Okay, cheer. Okay, friends, let's do Swiss franc. It's the last major currency pair. After that, I will do your currency pairs. Okay, for a start, take a look on this. What happened? take a look what happened on Swiss franc. Mm, Many days ago, I spoke about buy, but friends, situation totally changed. Price was in this accumulation so many days. You can count how many trading days price was in this accumulation, and the reaction was down move, and daily candle close under it. That means big players moved instrument down, and I recommend to you to open sell near this key level 0131. Near this key level you can open sell, and it is a trading scenario which I will use on my personal account because it's really interesting. Take a look how many times price bounced from this level. What you can do, you can just on Monday you can open sell position or by market or set sell near this level, uh, and stop loss, your stop loss should be 20 pips, not more. On this currency pair you don't need a really huge stop loss. 20 pips, and set potential profit in 4 or 5 times bigger, and that's all. It will be a really good entry, good probable, good potential entry on next week. Okay. Okay, friends. Okay, let's go. Let's go to that currency pairs which you wrote to me. Okay. And friends, don't forget that those who will be till the end of this webinar, I will give promo code, and I'll give bonus. I will give bonus which cost at least 200 USD. It's minimum. Okay. Okay. British pound, Japanese yen. Let's do about British pound Japanese yen. As you see, I have our alert here in this key level because take a look how many times price bounced from this level, and take a look on this huge accumulation. Really great entry will be when price will hit this level, and if there will be fake broke, it will be a brilliant place where you can open sell entry, and potential profit will be this level. And let's count what we can take. We can take, for example, like stop loss. Let's count 65 pips, and we can take 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. It's really awesome on FX. I think about sell on this level only because after such accumulation, price made a reaction. Yes, there could be something different, like price can break up this level, daily candle can close above. Yes, only after that we should think about buy. At this moment, I'm bearish totally. Okay, what are the instruments you wrote to me to take a look? Swiss franc we did. What does it mean? Uh, okay, in friends, right? In Indian rupee versus American dollar, or US dollar versus Indian rupee, or maybe USD Indian rupee. Okay, let's use this. Okay. Whoa. I never trade this currency pair. Looks like something bad going on with in India, and mhm. I do not recommend to trade such currency pairs because its volatility is really horrible. It's is too big, and your stop loss must be really huge. That's why it's bad to trade such currency pairs. Such currency pairs is best to trade from key levels from which price made something, like price made a low or a high. And at this moment, at this moment, price is not near a good level, and I do not recommend to trade to open entry at this moment. The best will be if the price will came to this key level and will make fake broke, you will be able to open buy. Next, will be when price will move up after fake broke. You can open down, sell entry. At this moment, there is no good entry. Okay, okay, let's do Euro Japanese yen chief. Okay, not gas. Okay, yes, I will do it. Okay, Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. A lot of Japanese yen at this moment, friends. I love to use a fix here. Hmm. As you see, price also in this downtrend, and there could be some entry when price will hit this level. You will be able to open sell near this level. About this situation, price still in this downtrend. Downtrend. You need to understand that sometimes it's hard to understand when a trend is to finish. What you can do is to open sell near this level when price will make a pullback, or if the price will make a pullback. And if the price will came to this key level, you will be able to open midterm buy, because near such levels, after such levels, price can bounce for really a lot of times and weeks and pips. That's why wait on pullback, open entry to continue the trend, and near this low, you can open midterm buy. At this moment, I do not recommend to open entry. Entry always you need to open near key levels where your risk will be low and potential profit in many times bigger. Okay, let's do. We will do it. Euro Japanese yen. Okay. Okay, Euro Japanese yen. Situations is similar like uh, on the Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. We should wait on pullback and open sell entry, because trend is down, momentum is down. At this moment, best place to open entry will be near this level, 124.22. Wait on some fake broke, something like that, and open entry to continue. And what else? Mhm. Okay, euro Australian dollar. Okay, euro Australian dollar. Hmm. Take a look on this key level. Price bounced two times from this level, and near what you can looking for. If the price will break up this level, you can open buy to continue up move. How you can open buy? Two scenarios. First, you just set buy stop, and when price broke up this level, you will have buy position, because mostly when price bounce two times from such some key level, after that, on third time, in 90% cases price broke such level. The best will be if the price will came again to this level, will make some little pullback. After that, you can trade broke. And second, price broke up this level, 1 hour candle close above, you set buy limit with stop loss 20 pips, something like that, and potential profit in 4 times bigger. uh, and it will be best scenario at this moment. And also, if the price will make fake broke, for example, like will make powerful up move, after that fake broke, you will be able to set sell limit and sell entry. At this moment, I wait when price will break up it. Okay, euro British pound. Who trades in? Yes, also I have the same question. Who trades the currency pair? Sorry, my bad. It was. I think you already checked Euro Australian. I checked Australian versus American. Yes, yes. Euro Australian. And okay, friends, let's go to to our list: euro versus British pound and euro versus Swiss franc. Uh, and also you can write one more currency pair. After that, I'll finish to check currency pairs. I do this too: euro versus British pound and euro versus Swiss franc. And after that, we go to gold, oil, and indexes. Okay. GBP. Mhm. Mhm. At this moment, price in up momentum, and you need to wait for some little pullback, and after that, you can open buy. Second good entry will be if the price will break up this level, from which price, as you see, bounced many times, and daily candle will close above. After that, you will be able to open another buy. And about sell, it's hard to speak because some fake broke near this level also could be a good sell entry. Friends, as a trader, you don't need to know exactly where price will go. You do not need to guess on 100% sure. You need to have trading scenarios where you will open best entries. The same is here. When price will break up, you can open buy to continue. Fake broke. What is fake broke? Price moves up, but eventually close under key level. And after that, you open sell to continue down move. That's all. Near this level, you can open entry. At near this 0.86 to 100, near this you can open a buy entry. Go before this level. And euro versus Swiss franc, friends. This currency pair is really interesting because a few weeks ago, price bounced from this historical level, historical low, and at this moment, price stopped here. Mostly, price moves with such cycle. First move, accumulation, and after that, continue of that move. At this moment, we saw this accumulation. Near this level, we can open buy with low risk to continue up move. And our potential risk reward could be just measure it. If your risk will be, for example, 25 pips, we can take 1 to 6, we can take 1 to take 1 to 5 before this high. It's really awesome entry, awesome opportunity. And okay, so do you think that it is worth to trade your or yes, we can trade. You can trade every instrument when you see a great entry. It is safe. It is safe. Yes, I do guess. Which time frame do you use to confirm that price has broken key levels? It depends of what we trade. If we trade to continue the trend, I can use 1 hour candle. If we trade again main trend, it also depends what we trade. If we trade, for example, some mirror level, best will be daily candle. If we trade historical, really powerful historical level, sometimes I can trade without wait when price will close 1 hour candle or something like that. Because as more powerful level we use, as more fake broke will work near that level. Most important to use daily candles because daily candles can show you where where the key levels on the chart and where price moves, what is main trend. It is the most important stuff, daily candles. Also you can use 1 hour, 4 hour. You don't need to open 20 entries per week to make good profit, because as more entry you open, bigger probabilities that you will do overtrade. Okay, let's do no, yes, we done it. Done. Done. Okay, friends. Let's go to some other. Hi. Hi. Nice to see you here. Write please where you from and push like. Friends, don't forget to push like and write a comment. Okay. Let's do natural gas. Let's do natural gas. And don't forget to subscribe on my Trading View. Don't forget subscribe on my Trading View channel. on my trading view page because a lot of love from London. I have a goal to go to London, beautiful city. Okay, friends, don't forget to subscribe on my trading view page because there I post some trading ideas. You are awesome, bro. I have been following your channel for a couple of days. You are blessed. Thanks. It's really a pleasure to read such stuff. And when I see such feedbacks, it gives more energy to do more. And also, you can write a comment here if you would like. For me, it will be far more pleasure. Okay. Okay. Let's open charts. Mm. We start from gold, oil, and natural gas. Natural gas. Okay, friends. About gold. At this moment, gold in this accumulation, this range, and as you see, price came closer to this key level. That means uh, if the price will break up this tail, huge probability that it will start a new uptrend, because such accumulation mostly because it is accumulation. When price accumulate volume, after every accumulation, we will see a powerful move. Uh, and you need to wait when price will break it up because till the price in this range there is no good entry because this range can continue sideways move for weeks or even for a month, because I can show you on a gold, for example, like here, when price just moved for a month in this, take a look, it was really near 1 month price were in this range and there were no entry because as you see price was only in the range. Take a look. The same is here. Price in this range, the best will be if the price will break up, daily candle close above, after that you open buy. And also you can open sell near this key level, but it is not good because as you see price comes closer to this level, as close it is something like triangle. Why triangle works? Because it means that big players moves instrument closer to key level because big players want to broke it, because it is easier to broke key level from this place than from this, because take a look, price try to broke key level from this place, and when big player move price in some direction, there are a lot of guys who open opposite entries, a lot of opposite entries, and that's why when price came closer, uh, for big players it's easier, they need less volume to move the price into their direction. Once more, when price will break it up, you can open by entry. At this till z, do not open any entry. If the price will make something like this down move and will make fake broke or something like that, you'll be able also to open buy near this key level. And okay, let's go to oil. Okay, let's open this oil. Mhm. As you see, oil also oil, if be honest, suck at this moment because oil, as you see, all these 1, 2, 3, 4 daily candles inside in this one candle. That means price also in accumulation, and we don't know in what direction big players accumulate position. I recommend to do this stuff when price will come to one of this key level, 62.88 or 60.10. Wait how the price will react on these levels. If there will be fake broke, what is fake broke? Price broke price but came back and for example 1 hour candle close under key level, it is fake broke. If you see fake broke, you open entry inside. If you see that price broke up key level close above, you open entry to continue up move. The same is here. Fake broke, open by entry. Price broke down, wait to sell entry. Here, here is not good to open entry at this moment because a price between two key levels, and there could be a up move or down move, and we don't know because it is middle of the range. Do not trade in the middle of the range. Okay, okay. Yes, I'll do about that. Okay. Good, good to hear from you again from South Africa. Nice to meet you, Paul. Have a great day. Do you use regression and deviation channel when you are trading? I use key levels, and as more powerful level you use, as it is better for you, because when you use powerful key level on daily or even sometimes on weekly chart, you understand. I understand that near key levels, a lot of people hide their stop losses and set pending orders. Such things for big players, it is volume. Big players hunt for the volume. And when they accumulate a lot of volume, you can open safe entry with them and just make a profit. And you don't need a lot of entries per week. Okay, and I'm from Latvia. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. Video. Great. Great to read it. Thank you. Kindly do. Yes, I will do S&P 500. Do you see only key level, or you see current trend and place order accordingly? I mostly I pay attention on key levels because only near key levels I can open entry. Why? Why? You need to understand. I don't use it only because I want. In trading, a lot of there are a lot of keystones. First keystone into trading, it is money management, risk management. And before I open entry, I need to know where I will put my risk, where I will set my stop loss. And key levels give me answer on that question. Because near key level, I have low predictable risk, and my potential profit always to next key level. That's why I use it and recommend you to use it also. And how can one tell that a trend is ending? Has been struggling with it. Uh, you will never know with 100% sure when trend is ending. Also, I can tell you only best places where you can open entry. First, it is when price hits some historical low. It's like on um, it's like here. Take a look on this currency pair. Euro versus Swiss franc. Price bounced from this September 18 low. Near such levels, price can change its trend, and after that, you need to wait when trend will change and to try to continue the trend changing. Mostly, it also could be some accumulation, and after that accumulation, you can open entry to continue a new trend. Something we see it here. After huge accumulation, price started down more. After such stuff, there could be a new trend. Mm. About key levels, I do a free webinar how I identify key levels. If I will get enough people who want to listen it, I'll do free registration and those and will do free webinar about key levels because it's a lot of stuff. It's really it's for webinar. I need a webinar to explain that. And also some friends ask about gas, natural gas. Okay, friends. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, how is good. Take a look. Natural gas came back and broke up this mirror level. Good. You can open buy near this 2.660. Near this level, you can open buy because price broke up powerful mirror level. Yes, yes. Take a look. Yes. From Monday, you can open buy here with low risk. Till the price above this key level, you can open buy. Next potential goal will be this level 2.76. Near this level will be your goal before it. Okay, what else? So, for example, we saw big range zone on United States dollar versus Swiss franc, and how it should drop quite huge. Because example for you it's example. Take a look. Price was in this huge accumulation. You can count how many days price were here. A reaction was down move. A lot of people who trade, most of bankers, something like that, they set stop losses under this tail because they need to set stop losses above or under key level. And what happened when price hit this key level? All guys who had buy position, they were stopped. When you have buy, to close entry you need to open sell, and that stuff create new volume. And when big players accumulate some position, they hit stop losses, and after that they initiate some move. That's why at this moment it will be the best opportunity to open sell, because a lot of guys who were in buy were stopped, and a lot of pending orders to open sell also were triggered. That's why uh, price get enough volume to move instrument into a new direction. Okay, because previously it was only bullish trend when it went into range, so we can. Yes, price were in the range, and what happened? Price broke down, and daily candle closed under it. It's the best signal that trend could change. It is probability. It is not 100%. It is always will be probability. That's why you need to use proper stop loss and risk reward, because even if you have proper risk reward, you will be able to get enough money. Do you look at parallel correlation from something new machine? uh, that correlation is gone, and you can find that Swiss franc moved up. Really, take a look how many days Swiss franc moved up, and Euro USD also made some up moves. And okay, and about don't you think it is retesting that zone? It is not retesting because price broke down key level and closed under it. Okay, friends, and also let's check indexes. S&P 500. Friends, don't forget to push like, please. Also, if you're interested in my education, if you want to learn how to trade properly, create your system step-by-step plan, and or you're interested in account management, just write to me. Use this context. When you push on this link, when you take a look, when you push on this link, you open link, and that link will show you our messages. Our messengers. Just use that link and you will be able to write to us. And also you can use this number, Telegram and WhatsApp number, if you're interested in education, VIP signals, or account management. About education, you'll be able to learn a step-by-step plan how to trade properly. I'll show you on my real examples how to trade. Just write it. And okay, let's do indexes. Indexes. Okay, friends. About S&P 500. As you see, S&P 500 bounced from this historical high. But take a look, price also bounced from this key level. Take a look. A huge chance that price will make a retest of this sell zone. I would tell this sell zone. Sell zone, and near this sell zone we will be able to open sell, midterm sell with the such stop loss, because huge probability the trend changed after this huge huge sell zone. And best will be is if you see this candle, best will be to open entry after some fake broke. For example, price will make some tail, and after the tail you set sell, stop and open entry, because we need to see a reaction of this level, because huge probability also that price will hit 3000. It's really powerful psychological level, 3000. If the price will hit 3000, near that level could start a really powerful drop down. Friends, what other indexes would you like to see? Right, please, if you have some other instruments which you would like to see at this moment from us. And okay, and what other friends 40? The same stuff is here, friends index. After pull back to this sell zone, we can open new sell. German. As you see, price didn't hit that key level which I draw. There is no good entry at this moment. After some pullback, we can also open sell. And what else? About indexes, that's all. And also, let's check some cryptocurrency pairs. Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is really awesome. As you see, price in this powerful uptrend. A lot of good news about BTC, and the best option will be only after some pullbacks to open buy. That's all. What other crypto? Ripple. At least Ripple. Ripple started some up move. Good. I thought Ripple were dead. Okay, friends. Also, you can buy Ripple after some pullback. The same, you can buy Ripple. And as you see, all cryptocurrency pairs started powerful up move, and that's all. What you can do is open buy after some pullbacks. The same on if Ethereum. The same. Take a look on this. How many candles? Every low becomes higher. After some pullback, open buy because powerful uptrend started. And what is about Litecoin? The same stuff. About Litecoin, I wrote a few days ago to open buy in this zone. Okay, friends. Uber, Uber, Uber Technologies. No, man, take a look. It's only it was IPO a few days ago, and there is no statistic. Um, At this moment, it's hard to speak about Uber because it could be like a Tesla. Tesla company which does not make money but costs really a lot of money, and Uber a company does not make money but get cost a lot. We need more statistic to understand how the price react on this. About Uber, it's really awesome idea of Uber. If there will be some powerful drop down, you can open midterm buy. Friends, you don't need economical news because economical news will. You need to know about economical news to avoid it uh, because you don't know how the price will react on key level and on some reaction. News create some moves, but you will never know the reactions. That's why I don't use news. Okay, friends. About I spoke about bonuses for those who will be till the end of this webinar. My bonus will be it is face-to-face free session where we will speak about your trading and what you need to do to improve it. You will be able to ask all questions uh, which you will want to use. What you need to do to get that free consultation, just use our contacts. Free lesson. It will be free lesson about my system. I will tell everything what you will want to see. It will be my system step-by-step plan. Just use this context to write to me, and promo code will be Saturday. Just write, hello Yuri, I would like to take free session, and write, uh, you promise Saturday, or how it's properly to write Saturday. I will check. Yes, I will check with you how properly to write Saturday. Whoa, I wrote bad. Okay, a grammar checker, and just write Saturday, and that's all. And we will work together, friends. Thank you for your time. Write, comment under this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to write to us about VIP signals, education, or account management on profit sharing basis. Write Saturdays using these contacts to us. Only those who will write today and tomorrow, for those we will do free consultation. Okay, friends, have a great weekend. Bye. Bye.